My brother works for a big international firm in Bangalore. When he had joined, there was something unique in his CTC that I had never seen before. It was the provision of ESOP or Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Under this, he was given a certain number of shares of the company, or as he made it clear, certain ownership in the company. This initiated him into learning about the stock market, and now he has substantial investments in the stock market. As a college-going student, nothing excited me more than the idea of my money making more money. So I asked my brother to explain the stock market functioning to me. He bluntly told me, it's not so simple and that I first need to learn about the market. That is to understand what stocks are, what balance sheets are, what IPOs are. He even recommended a course to understand how and where to invest. Then he asked me to closely monitor the upcoming union budget to understand which markets and sectors to invest in. This raised my curiosity and I was forced to ask him how the budget affects the stock market. Then I sat in a class of Macroeconomics 101. There I learned how lower interest rates, lower input costs, higher profits affect the companies and their stock prices. From the wheat we eat, to the cars we drive, to the subsidies we enjoy and the taxes that we give, all are a reflection of the condition of our economy, the main driver of the stock market. So he told me that it is important to watch out for the sectors that get the maximum benefits and the ones that get the least. Healthcare, for example, has been one of the most important areas of focus for the past couple of years. And if the budget provides tax reliefs or rebates or increases fund allocations to the sector, it would make sense to invest in the stocks of companies in this space. What he meant was that when a particular sector gets benefit, the companies in that arena benefit and their stock prices rise. I'm an average person with not so much knowledge about the stock market, but I want to build an investment portfolio for a secured future. Thus, on my brother's advice, I'm eagerly waiting for the union budget to make my investments in the stock market. So as you can, as the budget may solve your which stocks to invest in problem. Samasya ka samadhan, budget par do dhyan. For the complete analysis of the union budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to the Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.